Let's test this cable. We'll turn it on. That tells me it's a good cable. And here we go testing this cable, which is a longer cable, as you can see. There's the button. And look at nothing. That's a broken cable. Broken cable. You know where it's broken? Right at the end of this connector. Right there. Now this is another cable, as you can see by the different connectors, but let's test this one. Hold on, got to get it in the middle here, there we go. Let's check this one. Now you see something's wrong in that cable. That's how this works. Works great. Have a good day.